Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a full 4K video test with the new Google Pixel 7 Pro. We'll be testing out both the front-facing camera and those rear-facing cameras as well, in both the daytime and nighttime at 4K 30 frames per second and 4K 60 frames per second. And I'm going to let y'all be the judges down in the comment sections below and letting me know what you think about overall video quality and sound quality as well when it comes to the microphones on this device. And just to let y'all know, this whole video will also be edited on the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So let's go and get started. All right, so starting off with the front-facing camera at 4K, 30 frames per second. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Just doing a nice steady walk here, so we can check out stabilization. Also, let me know what you think about sound quality when it comes to the microphones, how well, they're picking up my voice. Some of the background sounds around me. It's not too windy out here today. It's actually a really beautiful day today. Got the bright sun right behind me there, as you can see. What do you think about the overall colors of the video? The sky, the green trees around me, maybe the sand here on the ground. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Let's go into a nice steady jog here so we can really check out stabilization. Again, all handheld. No gimbal being used here. Not even a small handheld tripod. There we go. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? There we go. 4K 30 frames per second. I'm gonna pan around. Let me know your thoughts so far down in the comments. Let's go and switch it up to 4K 60 frames per second. Boom, and just like that, we are at 4K 60 frames per second, getting that smoother overall video. What do y'all think? Again, just doing a nice steady walk here. Going to kind of pan around as I walk. I get a little bit dizzy, but it's all right. On the screen right here, it's actually looks really good here on the screen. Now my hands are a bit shaky. I'm not on flat ground. I am on this kind of dirt trail right here. So it'll really, tell us what stabilization, it's going to look like when using the front-facing camera. Let's go ahead and jog again at 4K 60. My hands are looking really shaky right now. Like I said, this is not completely flat ground, but I'm doing my best here. There we go. 4K 60 frames per second. I'm going to pound around one more time. The beautiful park right here behind me. There it is. Let's go and switch it up to the rear-facing cameras. Okay, so taking it over to the rear-facing camera at 4K 30 frames per second. First thing I want to do is check out the other lenses. So let's check out the ultra wide angle lens here. Just do a nice steady pan. Look how beautiful it looks today. Let's take it back to the main lens. Now these are the options that they give us on the screen. Here's ×2 zoom, and here's 5 times zoom, and then we can zoom all the way to 20 times. What do you think about the overall quality there? A little statue there. Another statue here of a mom and a daughter. And we got a little bunny rabbit there. What do y'all think? Let's take it back to the main lens. Just go into a nice steady walk here to check out stabilization. Not looking too bad here on screen. Let's go ahead and go into a nice steady jog. Got a plane flying by. How do you think the mics are picking that up? And there we are. Let's go and check out this little waterfall they have. Oh, it looks like they don't have it going today. Probably doing work on it or something. But if you see my previous videos, they usually have a little waterfall going right here. But the ducks are still hanging out. Got this guy still chilling over here. What do y'all think? 4K 30 frames per second on the rear facing camera. Let's go and switch it up to 4K 60 frames per second. Okay, so taking it over to 4K 60 frames per second. Again, getting that smoother video. Look at the duck over there playing in the water. He also got a little turtle over there. Now we do have the option to use the ultra wide angle lens here as well, which is nice because some phones when using 4K 60 frames per second, it doesn't allow you to use the other lenses. But here, let's go back to the main lens. Got 2x zoom, 5x zoom, so we get to use that zoom lens again, and then we can still zoom in 20 times. Look at that. And it still stabilizes pretty good. Look at that. That's 20 times zoom right there. Let's go back to the main lens. Let's check out stabilization. We'll do a nice steady walk here once again. Now hopefully it doesn't overheat on me, because with the last 4K video comparison I did with the S22 Ultra, this phone did overheat on me when I got to the 4K 60 frames per second part. So really hoping that is not the case here, that doesn't happen again. Hopefully it's not an ongoing problem. So you can see, just doing a nice steady walk, looking good so far. Got these turtles just chilling. Let's use a 5x zoom right here. Look at that, looking pretty good. They're just chilling right there. All right, let's go into a nice steady jog. Check out stabilization with that. There we are. What do y'all think? Again, 4K 60 frames per second. Let's go ahead and check out some night footage. Okay, now before we move on to the next part of this video, I gotta take this quick moment to give a huge thanks and shout out to the sponsors of this video, Casetify. Now, if you're not really sure who Casetify is, they're actually one of the most popular tech accessory companies in the world. And what they're most known for is their super durable protective cases that you can get for your device. And they have tons to choose from. I mean, you can literally keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling through their website. It's almost an endless list. But if you want to customize the case for yourself, they actually have an option to do so as well. Kind of like the case I have right here with my name on it. So whoever sees this is gonna know, like, whoa, that's Josh's phone. I better not touch it. So yeah, if you really don't feel like choosing between the hundreds and hundreds of cases they have to choose from, you can even customize your own. But aside from all the options that they have to choose from, these cases are super, super protective. They're powered by EcoShock impact absorption tech and have 4 times military standards and have been drop tested 109 times with 8.2 feet of drop protection. So, and I know this by experience because I've done many drop tests with their cases right here. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and show you. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick little drop test. As you can see, this is a working device. Got my Casetify case on right there. And I do gotta mention that I also have a tempered glass screen protector on here, which is not as durable as the display itself. So if the case is able to protect this tempered glass screen protector from getting damaged, then we really know it's doing its job. So we'll go and start off with a little light drop right here. It's about 3 feet. There we go. Let's go ahead and do another one a little higher this time. Here we go. Ooh, all right, let's go ahead and do another one even higher this time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. So that's 3 drops, 1 super high drop. And I'll even throw it against the wall here. And let's see what happens there. Ooh, that landed right on its face. So let's check out the device. Let's see, the camera module is looking good. I don't see no cracks. And that display is looking good as well. Tempered glass screen protector still looking good. So as you can see, this case does a good job at protecting this device if you do happen to drop it, or maybe you just want to throw it around just to have some fun. So as you can see, these cases are definitely going to protect your device if you do happen to accidentally drop it, and they give just the right amount of lift for that camera module in the back and just the right of lift for the screen in the front as well. And these cases are also 65% recycled with plant-based materials. And if you find yourself interested in any of the cases they have available, or if you want to go customize your own, I'll have a link down in the description below. That will get you 15% off if you do use it. So again, huge thanks and shout out to Casetify for sponsoring this video. All right, so I've made my way into the night. As you can see here, the sky is nice and dark. Now, of course, I do have, lights around me from the buildings around here and some of the, these Christmas lights on the trees over here. But for the most part, yes, it is nighttime. It is dark out here. Starting off on the front-facing camera, 4K 30 frames per second. Look at all these pumpkins that we got right here. We're gonna have to check these out once we do the rear-facing camera test. But just doing a nice, steady walk here now. With my experience doing these tests at night, video can seem to be a bit jittery if there's any shakiness going on, when recording video like this. So we'll go ahead and check out stabilization with the light jog here. There we go. What do you think? Let's go ahead and let's walk out to the street really quick. Not too much traffic going on here. Do a nice pan. Beautiful night. It's a little bit chilly. Maybe I should have brought my jacket, but I don't know. Actually feels pretty good. Do a little bit more walking here. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Again, 4K 30 frames per second. Let's go and switch it up to 4K 60 frames per second. All right, so switching up to 4K 60 frames per second, of course, getting that smoother video again. Check it out. We got some more pumpkins right here, along with this little fountain here in at the back. What do y'all think? I'll go and do a little pan around here. The gardens. Got some cars driving by. So again, let me know what you think about the microphones. There we are. Let's go ahead and walk down this way. We got more shops and stuff down here. We'll go ahead and jog a little bit. Check out stabilization at 60 frames per second during the night. What do you think? What do you think? Got some stuff going on up there. But again, 4K 60. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Let's go and check out the rear facing cameras. Okay, so taking it over to 4K 30 frames per second on the rear facing camera. Not looking too bad. Now, of course, we still get that ultra wide angle lens to give us that wider view here. Taking it back to the main lens, 2x zoom, and there's that 5x telephoto lens. It should pop into that lens. For some reason it's not. Is it different at night? Let's see. Oh, there it goes. Okay, I was just gonna say, let's try this again. There we go. That's that 5x zoom. Then of course we can still zoom in 20 times. That's what that's gonna look like at night. Not the best quality, but you know, it is there if you need it. Let's go and walk here a little bit. Again, all handheld. Now the lights on these trees right here when I'm walking could seem a bit jumpy. Just go ahead and jog a little bit. There we are. There's those pumpkins again. What do y'all think? Let's go ahead and switch it up to 4K 60 frames per second. All right, so here we are at 4K 60. Now, like I mentioned before, even at 4K 60, we do have the option to still use that ultra wide angle lens. So that's what that's gonna look like. There's 2x zoom, 5x zoom. And of course, we can still zoom in 20 times. Back to the main lens. Let's check out these pumpkins again. Check out some of this hay. Let's take a little walk. And now a short jog. There we are. What do you think? 4K, 60 frames per second. Let me know down in the comments. All right, so there you have it, a full 4K video test with the Google Pixel 7 Pro. What do y'all think? Like I said, y'all are gonna be the judges down in the comment sections below. Let me know what you think about overall video quality and sound quality as well. And also don't forget to check out the cases from our sponsors of this video, Casetify. I'll have a link down in the description below. But let me know what y'all think down in the comment sections below. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.